Well, good morning, folks. It's after a brief ice storm. We've got the wood stove cranking after a brief ice storm last night. It's pretty. It's definitely pretty. Look, we got all the trucks started. They're all starting to melt off. Them trees, they already melted off. But look at the beautiful trees here. Yeah, try not to get into the sun too bad, but nice glaze on everything. Look at that tree. All the snow, ice melt off the branches. It is pretty out though. We got a little bit of fog from all the melt. Look at that tree. That tree's melting off good. See it all? Nice. But again, it's a pretty day in Connecticut. Had ourselves a nice red-tailed hawk out here earlier, trying to catch some of the squirrels that were out here. Now everybody's kind of scattered and hid. There's the red-tailed hawk. We're sitting up there on that wire cage on this side, and the squirrel was over on this side trying to be a tough guy. But nobody got it. Nobody got eaten. Not yet, anyhow. I'm assuming the squirrel wasn't super hungry. Mama's Jeep all froze up. We're gonna get started working on that soon. Another couple of weeks. I think that hub's bad. So we're gonna investigate that, get that on the road for the springtime. And there's the dogs area. All frozed up. But as you can see, look at the fog over there. Even right there coming off of the house, the roof. See the moisture steaming off? Should be able to see it. Yeah, there you go. There's some good steam. So we're getting the fog moving in and rolling around. And then, of course, way up there is the smoke from the chimney. Well, the walkways are frozen up. It is pretty. Let's give you a shot of this up here. It's a frozen wonderland. But it's going up to 50. 50 freaking degrees today. Hey, there's the wood stove. Smoke. Hey, look at the fence. You can see the steam coming off of the vapors from the ice melting. Look at the trees, how beautiful that is. Nice and glazed. And cut it back a little bit. There we go. That's still nice no matter what anybody says. And while we're up here, we can get the garbage can. There's the fence. Isn't that pretty? It is pretty. And the trees sagging over there where they butchered the pine. But hey, it is what it is. So that's Crazy Mike's morning. Trump Nation, east of the world, trying to get along. Crazy Mike saying adios amigos.